Ambient temperature negative 04.57 degrees. Local time is 24:21:34 GST. All systems nominal.
Welcome to Bronze Anvil, the final mission of the Jade Falcon campaign. We are to prevent a convoy of Wolf staff members from escaping from a base we have just destroyed, as well as kill their commanders who are in mechs.
Fire engaged.
Once again, I'm taking a few Starmates with me to make this a little easier. There are a lot of enemies here, lots of tanks, lots of VTOLs. The mech opposition is surprisingly light, but there's a lot of enemies here that are difficult to deal with on their own.
Enemy vehicle destroyed. Point 2 reports target destroyed. Enemy vehicle destroyed. Enemy aircraft destroyed.
We actually have some friendly gunships helping us, however they are greatly outnumbered, and as you might be able to already tell, they are already all dead. So we have to continue on our own, and just hope for the best.
Enemy aircraft destroyed. Enemy aircraft destroyed.
Okay, those gunships are a huge pain in the butt,
Attacking your
but now that they're out of the way, we can continue on with the mission. This dire wolf is definitely a threat, since he is focused on us. And that contains Galaxy Commander Dwilteratic, who is our primary target. We want to take him out, or else we cannot succeed in the mission.
level critical.
We also have to identify him to make sure we are hitting the correct target, as if we do not do that, we cannot be sure that we killed him. So that's an important element of this mission.
Level critical. Primary objective. Inspect and destroy Radix dire wolf. Successful. Heat level critical. Shutdown sequence initiated.
Uh-oh, I thought I overrode.
Enemy mech
Uh-oh.
destroyed.
This ain't good, but I hope my Starmates will help me out. Oh, jeez. And that Battlemaster contains, I think that's Morgan Freeman Kell, who is the head of the Kell Hounds.
Enemy mech
And now he's dead, so we don't have to worry about him.
reports target destroyed. Point 2 reporting task complete. Point
I-
3 reports target destroyed. Point 3 reporting task complete.
I don't believe Morgan Kell dies canonically in the Refusal War, so he might have just ejected. He's not our objective, though, so we don't have to worry about him too much. Now we have to just intercept these convoy staff members who are trying to escape to a dropship, and if they make it, we lose. We just have to make sure to kill all of them. We don't have to destroy every convoy vehicle, only the staff members. So inspecting them is somewhat valuable. You don't need to do so necessarily, but it certainly makes your job a bit easier if you know which vehicles to target. About 1/3 of the convoy is staff members. The rest are simply escorts. That's an escort. We don't have to worry about him. That's staff members. We need to kill him. Escort, we can ignore him. Staff, we need to kill him. Yep, ahead you can see some more hostile mechs,
Target is beyond inspection radius.
but I can have my lance mates or star mates go kill them. Okay, so this here is probably the final staff member vehicle. See, yep, there he is.
Primary
There we go.
objective. Inspect and destroy staff vehicles. Successful. Proceed Proceed to dust-off zone for extraction. All points attacking your target.
Now, as I've already taken some pretty heavy damage in my armor and internals, I'm going to let my star mates take out these last two bad guys, just to play it safe. There's a single Kellhound and a Jenner. Since it's piloted by the Kellhounds, once again, this is probably supposed to be an inner sphere Jenner, but once again, limited game assets prevented them from using multiple models for the 2Cs and the inner sphere Jenners, so it just uses the 2C Jenner that we've seen all game. Sergeant Wilson! Wilson! Sorry, Wilson. I hate to kill you and disappoint Tom Hanks, but you need to die. He's running away. And now he's dead.
Point 2 reports target destroyed. Point 2 reporting task complete. Point 3 reports target destroyed. Point 3 reporting task complete. All points attacking your target. Heat level critical. Shutdown sequence initiated. Shutdown sequence overridden. All points attacking your target.
Alright, I'm in very poor condition here, so I just need to finish this guy off and not die. And this mission will be successful, and we will have... Oh, jeez, my friendly starmate just hit my internals. That's not good. Okay, there we go.
Secondary objective successful. Point 2 reports target destroyed. Point 3 reports target destroyed. Point 3 reporting task complete.
Yeah, that...
All points attacking your target.
That turret is not playing friendly.
Destroyed. Point 2 reports target destroyed.
Okay.
Point 2 reporting task complete. Point 3 reports target destroyed. Point 3 reporting task complete.
Now that he's dead, we can move on and finish the mission. We just have to reach our friendly dropship raiding behind this hostile dropship here. This hostile dropship, you can actually ignore all other mission objectives and just blow it up to achieve victory, though that's quite a big task as it's a massive damage sponge.
All points attacking your target.
I'll have all my starmates start shooting it, and it probably will not be destroyed by the end of the mission. It's an impossible task unless you really just take a build designed for killing that one thing in particular. Something like a light with a lot of small pulse lasers or machine guns. But here, we just won't be able to destroy it. When you inspect it, it says shielded, but that just means it's shielded from inspections. Not that it has Star Wars-esque shields. Just that it is difficult to read its contents. Yeah, after this is the final trial, which I do not consider the final mission of this campaign, since it's the same thing we've gone through a million times before. It's not as challenging as the Kit Fox trial, so we'll just see how I do. I'm sure it'll take a couple attempts from me to complete, but we can hope for the best.
External camera engaged. Nav row reached. Mission successful.
Oh. Shoot. Okay.